Hello, welcome to 247health.com. I'm Brandon, and we're gonna make some yellow split pea fritters today, but not fried. We're gonna bake them. I'm gonna do it in the air fryer to make them healthier, a little bit of Indian inspired flavor. I've never made these before, so we're hoping they're gonna be good. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And down below in the description is my free 30 Days to Better Health ebook. So let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1.5 cups of chickpeas to our food processor. These chickpeas have been soaked overnight and then I dried them off. Put them in your processor and we wanna get a paste. We want to grind them up till they get to a nice smooth paste. All right, let's check it out. Perfect, looks really good. Yep, a nice paste like that is what we're looking for. Because I know these curries have a little spice. And then baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and mix this all up. Alrighty, now we make our little patties. About 1.5 tablespoons or so. You can roll it up into a ball and then flatten it, and then a little tip I heard was put a hole in the center of it. I sprayed, you don't have to do this, you don't have to use oil if you don't want to, but I did spray my air fryer baskets so they won't stick, and then the recipe also does suggest that you do brush them with a little bit of oil. That'll probably help them, get a bit crispy. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'll do one side with oil and I'm gonna do one side without and see what the difference is like. And then we put them into a preheated air fryer, or you can do this in the oven as well, at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And you're going to want to flip them twice during that 15 minutes. All right, so we'll get them in the air fryer next and we'll see how they taste. All right, and so they're done. So about 15-16 minutes I let these cook for. This is the batch that did not have oil, and they actually appeared to be crunchier and crispier than the ones that actually I sprayed with oil. There's no need to spray with oil, so let's give it a taste. Nice and crunchy on the outside, a little salty, pretty tasty. I think they would be better with the fresh, a little bit of the fresh green and red pepper inside, but man, Really good flavor. The crunchy snack, it's a good alternative to chips and junk food. It's salty, it's crunchy, it'll help with that craving. These are a hit, and there is absolutely nothing bad inside of these at all. So I would give this recipe a thumbs up. Again, don't be afraid to mix and match the ingredients. Make it your own. If you don't like a certain ingredient, switch it up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time.